हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। आप सबका स्वागत है शेफ राकेश कुमार गुप्ता के इस डिस्कशन में रिगार्डिंग मैनेजमेंट, मार्केट, इकोनॉमी and various other topics of interest. So let's talk about today product and services. Now what's a product? Product is any object which you can use. I mean, any object which is of utility can be called a product. So in one way or the other, if I use something and I generate some waste out of it. So I'm using a product and I'm generating a waste out of it. Supposing you are writing a few letters and you are whole day you are doing some paperwork, you are throwing away certain papers in your dustbin and they become a waste for you. But at the same time, if you actually sit down and assess what happens to that waste of yours. Now somebody comes in, purchases those waste, or you throw it away, somebody picks it up and goes to a paper mill and gives it, he'll get a price for it. So for him, that waste paper of yours is again a product because somebody is willing to purchase it. So never think a waste is a waste because it can still generate revenue for you. Now, that's the particular mindset which we Indians are particularly famous for. We know how to use a waste as a new product. Now, we don't need to be taught that. We have been brought up that way. And when you talk about service, service is something which actually you feel, you deliver. When you deliver a product, it's an object which you acquire. When you get a delivery of a letter, you have something in your hand. When you buy a pen or a pencil or any commodity, so product can also be a commodity. But what is service then? Service is something which you deliver, which you can only feel. Supposing a teacher teaches you, and what do you get? You get a certain sound ability of understanding, and you get certain knowledge. So that's a service provided by you. I mean, that's a service provided by a teacher to a student. A doctor, he checks his patient, advises a few things, and the patient gets a cure. So that is a service. A nurse comes down and helps you with your daily course and administers medicine or whatever she does, helps you getting back cured. So that is again a service. Similarly, when you go down to a hotel, you get a service in terms of food being served. You are made to feel like a king. You are made to feel like a welcome guest. Now that is a service. Now what happens after you consume the service? Whenever you consume this sort of service, you are actually feeling much better, happy, contented, satisfied. Now that is what service for you is. So in the same vein, I'd like to clarify on two things. People are very confused. Some students find it very difficult to understand tangential and intangential. Tangential products are tangential. Tangential is something that you can touch and feel. Intangential is you don't hold anything in your hand, you don't touch anything in your hand, but still you feel, yes, I have got a good service. It's a good aftertaste. Anything that you can't feel but you are consuming it is intangential. These intangentials have the ability to make your day. These intangentials have the ability to make you angry. Why? Because they touch you. They touch your necessity. They touch your need. They touch your ego. They touch your sense of belongingness. They touch your sense of having utilized your time well. Because at the end of the day, whenever you are using a service, you are actually spending some time over it. So please understand this thing. Tangential and intangential are the two things which sell in the market. So anybody who is doing business is actually selling product or service. There are only these two things available in the market, and you have product, you have service. And there are a whole lot of things which is a mix of a product and service, like hospitality sector is a mix of product and service. And that is why I think it is very complex. Whereas a lawyer gives you a service. A lawyer gives you a service in terms of his knowledge on law-related matters and achieves some objectives for you. You feel satisfied, you go home. I mean, that's a lawyer's service to you. Similarly, when you buy a computer, when you buy a phone, it's a product for you. But if it is not functioning well, then you go down to a service center. You go down to a service center. Why? Then you go down to a service center to get it serviced because the software is not working well. Maybe some flaws are there. So it's very simple. I mean, you buy a product, you get it serviced. So the hardware is a product and the software is a service part of it. So any product that you buy or any service that you buy, you should understand the basic difference in delivery. And somebody who's producing this service is challenged by the delivery mode and method, and how do you give this delivery to your consumer, the targeted consumer. So there are two basic things. You should understand what sells in the market is either a product or a service or a mixture of two. So when it's a service industry selling food that you are consuming, hotel industry selling food is that you're consuming is service. But the level of comfort that you get there is service. Sorry, I got it wrong there. The food that you're consuming is product, but the level of service that you get is, the comfort that you get is service. So hospitality industry makes it that much easier for you to understand and feel both product and service because of their approach of delivery to you. But you know what happens generally in market? You manufacture a product, you give it to your distributors and CNF and retailers who makes it up to the customer base, and the consumers purchase it, maybe on the last minute recommendations of the retailers. But yes, at the end of the day, product will sell due to its features and maybe a little bit due to selling technique and the priority techniques used by the salesman. But I'll come back to you discussing what is sales and what is marketing and what are the differences between the two, how does it affect the service industry in my next video. Thank you for watching me till then. This is Chef Rakesh. Goodbye. See you in my next video.